I wanted to measure how loud or how quiet my push reel lawnmower was. So I got this app called dB Meter on my iPhone, which measures sound loudness using decibels. So for example, my empty backyard with birds chirping in the background registered 36 to 42 decibels. Really quiet, really relaxing. I like that. Starting my car registered 73 decibels. So that's much louder than 42. Cars passing in front of my street, traffic, registered at 74 decibels at the max.
Okay, as a point of comparison.
A whisper registered at around 40 decibels. And normal conversation registered around 60 decibels.
My normal voice.
In comparison, power tools such as my blender or a power lawnmower would hit 90 decibels or more. And you want to avoid levels of 90 decibels or more because scientists say that it can cause hearing loss. So you want to avoid that as much as possible. Now my push reel lawnmower is really, really quiet. The app says that it ranges from 44 decibels to as high as 75 decibels as I'm mowing my backyard right now. That's ranging from a quiet street to normal conversation to traffic, which was in the 70s. And I think there was a slight moment where it hit an alarm clock on the app. That's when I was right next to the microphone with my lawnmower though. But you can see when I'm at a distance of just a couple feet from the microphone, it's registering normal conversation or a quiet street already. So that's awesome. Super quiet. That's why it's great. This lawnmower is super quiet. It's great for me, my family, and my neighbors. It's relaxing when I mow the lawn. I can actually mow the lawn in the morning before I head off to work, which is great. You can't start a power lawnmower, at 6 a.m. or 6:30 a.m. Now, in comparison, gas-powered lawnmowers can hit 90 decibels or more, and that's in the dangerous zone where it can lead to hearing loss. So I really recommend that you try to avoid doing that, or if you do use one, wear earplugs or wear ear covers. I want to give a shout out to my friend Dan because he's a sound expert, and he was explaining to me that the decibels are actually measured in a logarithmic scale, and it's so subjective. There are actually different ways to scientifically measure loudness, but he said that 90 decibels versus 70 decibels can be as high as 16 times louder, according to him. And in other cases, I've seen that it's around 4 times as louder. So it's not a linear scale, it's a logarithmic scale. So that's what happens there. Now, there are other reasons to use a push reel lawnmower. There's low maintenance, it's easy to use, you just push it. It's got an adjustable height, it leaves the clippings on your lawn. So try it out. I've got other organic lawn care videos on my organic lawn care playlist. Check those out, you might enjoy them. But thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about this video in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Have a great day.